Today, let's talk about how to verify the YouTube account. The benefits of a verified YouTube account: you get access to the feature eligibility like videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and appealing content ID claims. On your computer, open the Microsoft Edge browser, or your favorite browser like Firefox, Google Chrome, or Opera, depends on your convenience. Type the website of YouTube, www.youtube.com, and hit enter. In the upper right corner, there's a sign in button, and click it. Sign in using your Gmail email account in the username and password login field screen. I am now inside. In the upper right corner, there's an icon or your profile picture of your account. Click to show the options like your channel and many more. Click YouTube Studio. Lower left side of the screen there's a setting menu. Click to display the submenus such as General, Channel, Upload Defaults, Permissions, Community, and Agreement. Under Channel, a submenu for basic info where you can select your based country or location. So I choose the Philippines. Advanced Settings where you can define your audience. In this I choose No, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content made for kids, linking of account, etc. Click Save button. Lastly, the feature eligibility to access the standard features by default enabled. You get your YouTube channel started and begin growing your audience with these features: video uploads, playlist creation, add to collaborators to playlists, and add new videos to existing playlists. To access the intermediate features, new ways to engage your audience and build your brand through videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and appealing content ID claims. To avail of these, click Verify the phone number. It will open a new browser tab. Deliver the verification code by text or call with an automated voice message. I select Text me the verification code, select the country and input the mobile number. And click Get Code. Type the code and click Submit. A small check shows beside the word phone number verified, and a message appears: "Congratulations. Your phone number is now verified." To manually check the verification is successful, open a new browser tab. Type www.youtube.com/verify. It shows that your phone number has already been verified. Go back to the browser tab logged into YouTube, and see the intermediate features are enabled. You've now successfully verified the YouTube account. See you in my next video. Thank you.